Hey guys, it's Erica from Erica Marie Plans and Plan With Me stickers. Here is another new releases video. I'm really trying my best to keep up with these. So far so good. I'm 2 for 2. Yeah, so let's just go ahead and get into it. I know well, this will go up the day before new releases, but it is pretty late right now my time. It's just been crazy. It's officially winter break. I usually work all of winter break during school time, but I have been saving up my vacation hours and I have the next 19 days off, which is really exciting. So I'm gonna catch up on like my doodle drops, all of new releases, so that I'm at least like a couple weeks ahead, because that would just be amazing. But yeah, and get a bunch of orders out. And I'm currently still waiting for my paper. My paper has been out for delivery since Saturday, and now I'm officially out of paper. Like, I just had enough to print these new releases, and that's it. Like, I'm just really irritated. So there are 2 orders that are not completed because I have like 1 or 2 sheets I need to finish, and I have no more paper. I usually order it when I have like 1 big stack left, but I assumed it would have been here because it was supposed to be here on Saturday. It's now Wednesday night at 10:30 and it's not here. So I'm a little irritated. So I'm hoping to get those orders done tomorrow, like right when the paper is delivered. If, fingers crossed, it's delivered. Anyway, my rant's over. Let's go ahead, get into these new releases. This theme is kind of, I had a little bit of an idea of a theme that I wanted to do, but obviously I just get so many new ideas while I'm creating these stickers. So we do have 2 bundles. I will show you guys that in a minute. But the first theme I wanted to do was like a fitness theme because it is the new year. I did see there was a kit or some art released that was like workout stuff like that. So it is very similar to, oh my God, I didn't even, oh my gosh, I did not print it. Ugh. Okay, let me look and see if I have like 1 piece of sticker paper left because I didn't even print the overlays. Give me a second. Okay, we're back. That took a while to get these printed. Luckily I had 2 pieces of paper left and I needed it because it did not cut right the first time. So like I was saying, the theme, one of the themes for this week's new releases is like workout, going to the gym, because that art that was just released, and I know a lot of kits or a lot of shops came out with kits with it, so I wanted something to kind of go with that. So here we have some gym overlays. You can pause it if you'd like to read what it says. And then I also did some hiking ones. I don't think I have any hiking ones. I honestly should have double checked in my shop, but I know I have like camping ones. I think that's it. I think I just have the camping. If I do have hiking, then I'll change the name to volume 2 for this, but this is in matte silver, and this is in my favorite foil right now, which is hot pink hollow. And then I also made some yoga ones. This is in sparkly hollow, and so there's this. And then another theme I wanted to do, this goes with the doodle drop and foil bundle drop that will be shipped out this Friday, if I can get my paper in time. It is like birthday themed. My birthday is in January, so like all I just wanted it to be ready for January, so that's why that is the theme for that month. So we have some birthday ones. I already have birthday ones in my shop right now, so this is actually volume 4, and then I have volume 3 right here too. So I already have volume 1 and volume 2 up in shop, along with like sweet 16 ones. I think I have a 21st birthday, and then of course 30th birthday one. Oh, I can't believe I'm gonna be 31. That's so crazy to me. So yeah, so this is in gold, and then this one is in lemongrass. So we have those ones. And then you guys did say you wanted the kitty ones. I did do puppy love ones 2 weeks ago for new releases. So here are your kitty ones. And then I also wanted to do a bunch of birth signs, like astrology signs. So that is what almost the rest of these are. So we have Capricorn volume 1. There will be more volumes to come, so that's why this one is volume 1. And then we have Aries. This is in matte bronze too. And this is in sparkly rose gold. I'm like not in frame, so sorry guys. This one's in rose gold. This is Scorpio. We have Gemini in navy, Pisces in hot pink, Aquarius in silver, Taurus in matte gold, Virgo in sparkly hollow, Cancer in hot pink, Leo in matte gold, Libra in matte gold, and Sagittarius in hollow. These next two are actually requests. So I've had a couple of people ask to come out with that like Beyonce stuff. I don't know anything about Beyonce, so I really have to thank Marchie. She's on our PR team. She definitely helped me with this because I'm like, I am completely lost. So she was very, very helpful. So you have her to thank for helping me get all this put together. So I do have 2 overlays that will be coming to shop. This one is volume 1. I just called it Bay or B. I saw a lot of this abbreviation, BEY. So that's what it's called. But yeah, so here's volume 1. And then here is volume 2. These are both in sparkly hollow. So yeah, so that's that. And then we'll go ahead and go into the foil bundles. I will show you the Renaissance one first. I did ask her what foil to foil this in, and she said sparkly red because there is a kit, and I have seen the kit that was released by Cafe Anna. And so sparkly red is gonna go really good, or even just regular red. I think sparkly hollow, black. So there's a lot of foils that will go with this. I did print out the full foil bundle this time around, honestly, just because I forgot. So I could have saved some paper, but it is what it is. So you will get the full foil bundle at the end of this video. I will let you guys know how to do that. So you get 2 sets of underlays. This is called the Renaissance foil bundle. They are disco balls. They are very similar to the ones I have in my shop currently, but they are a bit larger. The ones I have in shop are super tiny. I will give you guys a little sneak peek, I guess, or whatever, but the tiny ones will be going on the last chance section starting January 1st. So if you want to hold off to get a little discount on it, I would. But if you need them right now, go ahead and get them. So here are the larger ones, and this is in sparkly red. So you'll get 2 of those. Here are your headers. It's in the twinkle format, and then you have your double box overlays and 2 quote boxes. This one is actually on her freebie, so you can get this on her freebie as well. And it just has some like elements that are related to Beyonce. Is it focused? Okay, there we go. And then we have the full box overlays here too. So same format. I feel like it's blurry. It could also be my eyes because I don't have my glasses on right now. Are you focused? Okay. So there's that. And then just normal format as all my other full bundles. And then your bottom washi. So that is that, and it's gonna go great with that kit if you have it. And then the second foil bundle that will be coming out this week is a fitness one. It's to go with any fitness kits you guys have, or just honestly, I don't know, it can go with anything. I feel like this is in hollow. So here are your full box underlays. So it just has a bunch of like gym equipment, or not even equipment, it's just like weights. And then you have your headers, double box, and your 2 quote boxes. And here are your full box overlays. Your tall box, which is fitted for the SPC. It does fit Crest Press, but you do have to cut it. I forgot that because I was planning, which I have not planned in so long. And I was like, what the heck? Like, why is this not fitting? But then I always forget that you have to cut it to fit the Crest Press one. And then here is your washi and hole reinforcers. So yeah, so that is all the new releases. So same thing as last time. That was so fun. Having like you guys having an opportunity for you guys to win all these new releases. Like I really enjoyed that. So how I did it last time, out of all the orders that were placed last week, I just numbered them 1 through whatever. And I just asked my boyfriend, give me a number between this and this. And so he gave me a number, and then whatever order number that was, then they won the free, the new releases. So they're going to be included in their order. I did announce it on Instagram too, so I'm sure some of you guys have seen that. But yeah, if you want a chance to win all these new releases as is, there are a couple black marks. I'm very particular about my black marks. Like they go on my misfit pile if there's any black marks. So if you would like these as is with a couple black marks here and there, all you have to do is make a purchase this weekend from Friday till Sunday night, so Christmas Eve. And then you will be randomly selected to win all these new releases in your order. It would be very helpful if you guys want to actually like let other people know too, or you can keep it to yourself, I guess. But because some people didn't know about it, and I will just have to put it on Instagram or something so that more people know. So if you are interested in winning these, like I said, all you have to do, make an order this weekend and you will be randomly selected if you're the winner. If you guys have any questions about anything, let me know. Any suggestions for any new releases coming up? I don't have any more new releases this year, which is kind of crazy. The next new release will be in about a month because I want to do a big release for my birthday and I just want to get everything in order. So if you have any suggestions you have from now until probably like January 10th, because that's when I will probably stop doing my designing and get everything together. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and my shop Instagram. I have everything linked down below along with my shop. But that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye.